Look at this delicious chicken right here. Chicken drumsticks, marinated in a tasty homemade teriyaki sauce, cooked in the Ninja Foodi to perfection. Oh man. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. The ingredients for our chicken teriyaki marinade are brown sugar, honey, fresh garlic and ginger, red pepper flakes, that's optional if you like it spicy, and soy sauce. I also like to add a little rice wine vinegar to my marinade. It gives it a nice zing. I'll put a link to the recipe in the description box so you'll have all of the amounts. We're going to add in our smashed garlic. You don't really have to chop it up small. You just want the flavor of the garlic to permeate the marinade, but you don't need little chunks. Now we've got a 1-inch piece of peeled garlic, and I'm going to use this microplane to grate it fine. And then we can just add it into, pour in the soy sauce, the red pepper flakes if you're using them, the honey, and brown sugar. Pour in the rice wine vinegar. Seal that zip top bag and massage it around to get the pieces coated. Then chill it in the refrigerator. Pour some water into the bottom of the Ninja Foodi to catch any drips so that that sweet teriyaki sauce doesn't burn onto the bottom. Then place in your air fryer basket. Arrange the chicken into the air fryer basket. Close the air fryer lid. Set it to air crisp. Let's go at 400 degrees. For 20 minutes and get started. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it's juicy. I am going to enjoy that. Look at the pretty mahogany color from the marinade. Steaming hot. So that is the Ninja Foodi teriyaki chicken. Air fried teriyaki chicken. I mean, I am impressed with the way that came out. And remember, the Ninja Foodi is an air fryer. It's also a pressure cooker. It's also a slow cooker. It does lots of functions in one. I think it's a good buy.